Coach, a loss to start the All-Filipino tournament.
Yes, it's a bad start, it's a bad loss, pero maaga pa. Masyado pang maaga. We had a good start actually, pero nung nakuha nila yung range nila from 3, tapos kaproblema kami sa mga bigs namin. Si Keith strained his calf, and then Bo is not available. So our two biggest guys are not available. Masyado kaming lumiit. No? They killed us actually in the paint. Na-compliment pa nung 3-point shooting nila. And then we just missed a lot of free throws, which I felt would have given us a chance to close the gap. So, ganun talaga. We cannot control some things. Yung injury na and then they really shot the ball well. They made the shots at the right time, the right place at the right time. Siguro yung defense namin, we were just not able to. They shot their 2-point shots at a high clip, a high percentage. They shot the 3-point shot well, so depensa talaga, kailangan talaga ma-upgrade pa namin depensa natin.
Coach, si Kailan at 24 tonight, is this a prelude to something, mas maganda yung conference, especially coming up yung sa semis na?
Force of circumstances no? Wala si Bo, wala si Keith, no? He couldn't come back in the game. And then we were shooting the ball poorly. So, kailangan talagang maging aggressive siya sa pag-score. He can score actually. Pwede naman siya mag-score. Pero, mahirap yung ikaw na nag-i-score, ikaw pa yung dumidepensa, ikaw pa rumi-rebound. So, marami siyang responsibilities. Hindi nga siya natulungan masyado yung mga kasama niya. So, dapat sana may naka-share doon sa scoring responsibilities, pero yun, nagkulang din kami. No? We were not making our layups. May missed dunk pa yata siya nung isang sinubo na lang lumakas pa. So nangyari talaga yun eh. Pero there's a lot of time to fix things. No? We can still look for ways to remedy the situation. Maaga pa naman.
Coach, you're coming in the Philippine Cup with multiple semi-final appearances in the past conferences. But the landscape in this Philippine Cup is yung Grand Slam bid ng TNT, Ginebra, and then San Miguel looking for redemption of this year team.
Alam naman namin, we certainly know that it's going to be a lot harder na makapasok dun sa top 4 man lang. Tapos bad start pa. Ang ginagawa lang namin is just improve. Just try to improve every day. We're also looking at kanina ginamit ko ng haba-haba si Mike Johnson. We're also trying to build our bench by giving the others a chance to play. Ganun lang. Ang ano lang namin is improve every day. See, after a few games, if you have a chance, then you just keep working hard.
About coach, kasi you leaned on your imports for the height or for the ceiling last two conferences about in the Philippine Cup. Medyo yung
Maliit kami.
kayo.
Maliit kami. No? So, isang problema yun. Although, nung una kaming pumasok ng semifinals, all-Filipino
Yes,
rin.
yeah.
Pero yun nga, malaking bagay pa rin si Bo. Kung hindi siya nakakapaglaro, malaking bagay pa rin si Keith, lalo pa pa ang Filipino. Wala yung dalawang malaki namin, so masyado kaming maliit, super liit. Doon lang, malaking adjustment na agad. So tingnan natin, we're trying to get Keith ready by the next game, pero wala pang kasiguraduhan yan. Si Bo, baka next month na si Bo.
Next month na?
Next month.
But ano yung situation mo?
Meron siyang parang vertigo.
Okay.
Para siyang wala ng balance. Baka overweight talaga. Hindi, so we're just trying to fix that. So baka siguro mga 3 to 4 weeks pa siguro.
Kailan nalaman kung
mga 2 weeks ago pa eh.
Okay.
2 weeks ago pa. So, kailangan lang siyang magpahinga, kailangan ma-assess pa ng doktor, and then actually, pinapayagan naman siyang mag-shooting. So, pinapayagan siyang light work. But hindi pwedeng sumobra.
Kaya kaya pa niyang pumunta ng game kasi
Oo, kaya pa naman.
Pero pag sa laro talaga na
Hindi na. Kasi yung balance,